Good morning, everyone. Here we are again with this new appointment for the daily update. Today is November 1st. It's a holiday in most European countries, but the markets are open. Let's take a little look at what happened yesterday. There was quite a significant downward movement. Let's say we are on the lower limits of the range that we indicated in previous videos, and the situation remains with downward pressure. I have traced these two channels, one starting from the beginning of this contract, so the one from December, and you can see how yesterday we practically broke out of this channel. There was an attempt to re-enter it, but then we went down, and we are playing a bit on the lows of this trading range that we had indicated. This other channel, which you see below, is the one that starts and ends with the previous contract. Let's take a moment. Today, there are also very important data on unemployment, payrolls, and various macroeconomic data that you can find collected. In the report that you can find on my Discord channel, what else should I add? In short, the levels to monitor for the NASDAQ, let's say around 19,930, should be the last possible stronghold, because below this level, I see it being difficult to recover even the small bounce that occurred from yesterday's close, roughly in line with all the Asian tension. It seems a bit like a dead cat bounce. We will see shortly how the data develops and how the market reacts. But at the moment, the pressure seems to be downward, which should lead to a close in this area that I'm indicating now. The situation is similar for Standard & Poor's. Let's take a closer look here as well. We have two channels broken with the same logic, and you can see that for Standard & Poor's, we exited yesterday actually, Wednesday, and at the channel we had an attempt to re-enter that was rejected last night due to the Fed's actions. Then, from the opening, the market continued to decline, and we are also here at the minimum levels of the trading range that we indicated. So a break of these levels around 57.30 to 57.20 would definitely lead to new downward waves. Now, the stronghold to re-enter for Standard & Poor's is this weekly level that was support and has now become resistance, so this will be the area to recover for an attempt to re-enter the actual range. We will also see developments here throughout the day. You know, I don't like to make predictions, but I enjoy living the market moment by moment. So, at the moment, this is the situation. There has been this nice exfoliated drop from yesterday with heavy selling. Sustained, but not excessive. Volumes have nonetheless paved the way and marked this decline. I repeat, for it to be a break of these levels, specifically the second weekly support level, could lead to new waves of downward movement. So we will see how developments unfold here. Please pay maximum attention today for the data. Remember that it is Friday and there are these important data points. Therefore, reduce positions, stop losses in place, and maximum possible caution. What else can I add? Starting Monday, you will find my levels only on Patreon. So for those who haven't done so yet, feel free to follow me there. Please follow me there and on this Discord channel, of course. As I promised, I will post some levels for various assets in rotation. In the meantime, I wish you a wonderful day and a happy trading day. We'll talk later in chat. Thank you all for your attention and for following me.